Hi friends, my name is Yasmina and I am a new opportunities teacher. My goal with this channel is to help people make money selling their teaching resources and digital products on Teachers by Teachers and other platforms. So guys, if you are interested in these topics, make sure to subscribe on my channel and give the video a like. Let's get into it. In the last video, we have seen the difference between the basic seller account and the premium seller account. We conclude that upgrading your account to premium is the best investment if you are getting good sales, so you can get rid of the money fees and increase your commission. In today's video, I will upgrade my account from the basic seller account to a premium seller account, and I will show you the details step by step. To upgrade from a basic seller to a premium seller, look into your account, then click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click My Account. Select Store Profile from the left sidebar. Click Upgrade Now in the box at the bottom left of the page. Follow the instructions to confirm your age and update your email preferences. Then click Continue to go to PayPal and proceed with payment. View and print your receipt. That's it. Don't forget guys to visit my channel and watch these videos, which will help you greatly to learn how to create teaching resources step by step using Canva. 20 digital product ideas that sell well in summer months. How to create word search puzzles to sell on TPT. Is the TPT premium membership worth it? How to create previews, how to create an attractive thumbnail, the secret to get more sales. I will leave all the links for these videos in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. In the next video, I will show you the easiest way to create mazes and sell them on Teachers by Teachers. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell to receive a notification as soon as the video is published. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.